I Can Sing It Better is proudly brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse Ndizoteka. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment, and Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi, by Malawi for Malawi.
I can sing it better.
Hi, sir.
Hello,
How you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good too.
Thank you.
Please tell us your name and what you have for us.
My name is Precious Chalumbo,
Uh-huh.
and I'm gonna sing for you.
What song have you prepared?
I want to sing El Shaddai. Yeah,
Whenever you're ready,
all right.
bring it up.
El Shaddai, that's your name. Elohim, that's your name. Adonai, that's your name. I worship you. I worship you. Ooh, I worship you. I worship you. When I look at the stars, when I look at the moon, that's the work of your hands, Lord. That's the work of your hands, Lord.
Precious?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's okay. When you go back home and watch this program,
Yeah.
those that are going through, take note of the comments that we made.
Okay.
Yeah, some of them will apply to you. So for now, I'll give you a no.
All right.
All right, same thing as you said. It's a no for me too.
No, from me.
All right. Thank you.
Zaenda bwanji Nkarimu?
Sizinaenda kuno and usually I should try next year. I should work on something.
All right.
Yeah.
I can sing it better.
Hi.
Hello,
What is your name?
Innocent Harawa,
Where are you coming from?
Area 47.
What song have you brought for us today?
Okay, the song I've brought right now is the title is Zizandowawa. Yeah,
All right, looking forward to it and all the best.
thank you very much. Many ndiwondelamu, many undigondelamu, mami one day nkuza sempana. Many divanilana namu, many digondelea namu, baby one day nkuza siana. Mudu zaima, nyengo zizasinda, upanda iwe moyo mwanga. Mudu zaima, nyengo zizasinda, upanda iwe moyo mwanga. Pori nazolowela kalandiwe, nazolowela cheza ndiwe. I'll suffer if you leave, baby I won't believe. Zizandiwawa, Zizandiwawa, Zizandiwawa.
All right.
Zizandiwawa, Zizandiwawa, Zizandiwawa.
All right. Thank you so much, Innocent, for your composition. I'm giving you a no for this set. But you can still work on yourself because Bameba Sindebo give you that boy. Yeah, but that's that.
Go record that song and see how the public is going to receive it if you haven't read, right? Yeah. You never know what happens. But for this competition, I'm going to say no. Yep.
It's another no from me. See you next time, Innocent.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Zaenda bwanji nkatini.
Yeah, zaenda kuma zavuta pang'ono. Yeah.
Zavuta bati.
I think I should improve on my vocals. Yeah, but the song was quite awesome. Yeah.
Unaimba nyimbo yanje.
Zizandiwawa.
Nyimbo imene yako ya original?
Yeah, original myself.
I can sing it better.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Are you ready for this performance?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Do you mind telling us your name and the song you're going to sing?
My name is Chisomo Namulepwesa.
You know-
Lomwe belt.
okay.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
you know the meaning for that?
Yeah, yeah.
What does it mean?
It means ndamugonjeta.
Hey.
Yeah.
Please, when you're ready,
I'm,
please.
I'm singing Soul Provider by Michael Bolton.
Feel free.
Yeah. Talk about love. Talk about trust. Talk about forever, baby, when you talk about us. And I give you my word. Stick to my guts. Believe me when I tell you, baby, this has just begun. You don't understand that way. The full intent of my plan. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider, baby. Baby, I wanna stay that way for the longest time, baby. I wanna be your sole provider. Yeah. So I've been waiting for a long time for somebody like you, baby. Give you my word.
Chisomo, yeah, thank you so much. Chisomo, I like the fact that you can put in the energy in the song. You can make some movements, and you were using this hand thing, pointing at the audience, pointing at. I do want to say it to her,
Yes.
but she can claim it. She's claiming it. So that's good, Chisomo. However, I would like to see more of your vocal skills, right? I'd like to see more of that. It's a yes for me.
Thank you.
So I love how you're calm. It's like you're at ease, but at the same time, you know what you're doing. I think that gives it a whole vibe. It's not every time you have to, hey, raise up your voice. But how it is, and with the title of the song, you were singing it to me. But honestly, I want to give you a yes. That's it.
Thank you.
Much have been said. I was put off when the song started. I didn't have an idea where we're going. But later on, I loved what I heard. As you said, how you're calm and you're able to bring out that voice. I mean, that's cool, man. And I think the plan of looking at her, and I think she gave you the energy you wanted. When you're singing and looking at her, pointing at her, you were like, okay, I think this is how I'm going to get this. So I'm going to give you another yes, and I'm looking forward to get more from you. So come and get a rabbit so you can take it to Kasungu.
Thank you.
You can come this side. Are you happy though?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to travel safe.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Say, can I get on the stage and sing a song to you as well?
Oh no, please. There are enough.
Tangorusani kuti chisangalalo ndichotani mwatuluka ndika Golden Rabbit.
Chisangalalo chilipo. Yeah, because it was worth it.
Okay.
Yeah, it was worth it.
You knew kuti you're here for the money.
Yes, I knew kuti not necessarily for the money, but for the excitement. Yeah, for the excitement.
All right.
I would say so.
Okay, so what should we expect from you now when a Golden Rabbit? Because I'm pretty sure antu amene mwina ma Golden Rabbit antu kukhala iya itone kuti amene what are they bringing to the table?
I'll make sure I bring my A game.
All right.
Yeah, I'll try my best to bring my A game.
All right.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, wishing you all the best as you continue the competition.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
Zina.
Chikumbutso Milias.
Chikumbutso Milias. Mwalibwesera zotani?
Abula ndi nyimbo.
Yanu ya wina wake.
Yanga.
Yanu? Taito yake ja?
Ukhale wanga.
Ukhale wanga, mkazi amene? Timvele nawo ukhale wanga.
Kukonda iwe paine chokwanila tsiku silipita fono sako yimbila moyo wanga ndiwe umayimila udalile sindiza kuswaya yesa zose usungezo komazo ndimala kwitsa kumasinga ipepose zae kando jasima damvika timvane kutupi kumaso munzimu mbili ya bwino iveke mudzimu tisakele bikoni kumachi kwangwane ubwino watu ulozele ena ndine mundu sindingalephelele zofoka ukhale wanga wapantima panga osachulukidwa ndizonena ena ukhale wanga wapantima panga ilonde pempho langa mafrezi nde nawauza kale wapezeka oja naye phuma ndachotsa zaena sindikumva oyo ndi wanga sindingalole kugiva
Okay, that's fine. Meno mayamba nimaona ngati kuyankhula ndakatulo. I think that didn't take for me, so it's a no from me. That didn't work.
Okay.
I can sing it better, but I think when you go out there, listen, Bino, DSSA singing yotingatani, how best can we go about it? But yeah.
Hapo ndio tino wachitatu hapo.
Okay.
Date. Chabu.
That was a poem.
It is a poem.
Tangoruzani kuti mkati mwaendamo bwanji.
Ndaenda ubwino. Andiuza sozofoka zayi. Angonza kuti mawu asakufunika ngalimene funika music. Awonje bwanga inabwera ngati ndakatulo.
Okay. Ndete mbekezere kuti tikamapangaso season ine yake singing better mudzatipeza.
Ndidzabweraso. Ndikakuza zofokazo.
Pamenepo? Energy.
Ndikakuzapo.
All right, ife tikuthokozeni kwa choti munabwera kwake singing better.
Zikomo kwambiri.
Zikomo.
I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hi.
What do you have for us?
Well, I have a song by Alessia Cara. It's called Scars to You Beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your name again?
Michelle.
Michelle. Okay, Michelle, the stages are yours. Whenever you're ready.
She has dreams to be an envy, so she's starving, cover girls eat nothing. She says beauty is pain and there's beauty in everything. What's a little bit of hunger? I can go a little while longer, and she fades away. She don't see her perfect, she don't understand she's worth it. All that beauty goes deeper than the surface. Oh, oh, oh. So to all the girls that's hurting, let me be your mirror, help you see a little bit clearer. The light that shines within, there's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No scars to you're beautiful, we're stars and we're beautiful. Oh, oh, oh. And you don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No stars to you're beautiful, we're stars and we're beautiful.
Michelle, I'm gonna say yes. That was beautiful. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
You have 3 yeses.
Thank you.
That means you are good to go through. You can come down here.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I love it.
Please don't relax, okay?
Yeah.
Now this is the time for you to keep it up,
Thank you so
right?
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You should know
so
you're
much.
beautiful.
You know,
just the
okay,
way
you
are.
know sometimes you make a comment because you go like, okay, but I mean that was a straight yes.
Yeah, we good.
Nothing much to say.
Yeah.
I can see the excitement.
Yeah.
You must be very happy.
Yeah, I am. I was extremely nervous. I did it. Yeah. I'm grateful.
All right, so what should we expect from you moving forward?
I mean, more fire, more energy.
Yeah?
Just, keep up the good work. Yeah.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Prince Ndalama.
So what do you have for us, Prince?
I want to sing for you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And what's that song?
It's Golo Golo for 8% Kineo.
Wow.
Yeah.
We can't wait, man.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, the floor is yours.
Thank you. May I start?
Sure.
Ndiri nawe baby kulikonse tiye tiende ponda pani ponde cause atomakamba koma ine no reverse ndima wanga unatela paiwe. Don't you worry, I love you baby, I love you darling, olozita vuta zita tani, I'll be there for you. Oh. Don't you worry, I love you baby, I love you darling, olozita vuta zita tani, I'll be there for you. Paiwe ndina mata ngati golo golo, ndiri nawe kete kete ngati golo golo, kulikose ungapite au follow, baby ndina mata ngati golo golo.
Yeah. Prince, I think so far so good. I think we've heard what we were looking for. We wanted to sample your singing, so you don't have to worry about finishing the whole song. Yes. So, but I know you have the potential, but maybe not for this time around. So I will give you a no, but I know if you work more, and then next year we can see you again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prince.
Thank you.
Hey.
Hi.
It's the smile for me, but also it's a no for me, depending on the song. We're not saying no to you as if what, but it's a no based on what we're looking for. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go there and keep working.
Thank you very much.
You sing somewhere?
Yeah.
Where?
At home, I go to the studio, not like church or whatever, but I go to studio.
Okay.
And sing, yeah.
Keep working on your voice.
Thank you.
But for now, it hasn't worked for you.
Thank you very much.
All the best.
Thank you.
Sure.
There's nothing to talk about.
If you want to hear something, he needs to go to a music school.
You must be the youngest, I think.
Yeah, I'm the youngest here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what motivated you to participate in I Can Sing It Better?
Yesterday's program, Social Hub.
Yeah?
Yeah, I saw it yesterday, and I was motivated, and my mother told me, yeah, I think you should go. So, yeah, I came.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what motivated me, especially the program. Yeah.
I can sing it better.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
We're doing good.
Yeah.
Tell us your name and what you have brought for us this afternoon.
Yeah, I'm Yamikani Karande.
Uh-huh.
So I want to sing
Okay.
a song by Grabs Morgan
Okay.
titled People Like You.
Yamikani, whenever you're ready, you can start.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. If you give a little more than you take, if you try to fix more than you break, you're the kind who take the time to help a stranger in the rain. There's a praise for people like you. If you stand up for those down on the knees, I render voice to those who cannot speak. If you shine a little light, give sight to those who lost the way. There's a praise for people like you. I heard out there's the streets are made of gold. So when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe when it is down here through, there's praise out there for people like you. If you walk around with your heart on the street, if you try to be the change you want to see, if you lay down your life for love so someone could be saved, there's a praise for people like you. I heard out there's the streets are made of gold. So when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe when it is down here fruit, there's praise out there for people like you.
Yeah, Yamikani.
Yes, sir.
I loved the energy that you're putting in this song, but I think what I'd have loved most is how if you would have polished up the tone, because the tone I think is getting distorted because you're putting too much energy, and the tone is not so, wowing, like, something that I would be here and be like, wow. I would give you a no, but when you come again next year, I think it's going to be a yes, because you know what? I know that you're going to work on those areas.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think he's talked a lot, and I'm gonna give you a no.
Okay.
Yeah, just work on what he said, please.
But if that song was sung with the voice that I just heard today, I don't think a lot of people love this song would. Maybe for the message, but maybe because of the voice, they'll go like, who is shouting? Right? So, it's a no from me as well.
Okay.
Yeah. When you listen to that song, man, you close your eyes and you're listening to it, you're like, wow.
I heard that.
Yes.
It's something really. It needs to. I didn't see it coming. It didn't.
But he's stressing you.
Yes.
Like, hey.
Hala Madrid.
No, I'm not from Madrid, but Barcelona, it's just yeah.
Okay. So endera ngoro zori nkari muzaenda bwanji.
It's not working. It wasn't like what I was expecting. Yeah, just because it's about a tune. I have power to sing, but problem is a tune. Yeah.
All right.
So what I should do, I should work on tune. Yeah.
All right.
So the next time when I can perform better than this.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
What is your name and where are you coming from?
Brenda Panda. I'm coming from Area 49.
Okay, are you ready? What song are you singing?
I'm singing My Worship by Phil Thompson.
All the best and the floor is yours.
Thank you. And I will not be silent. I will always worship you as long as I am breathing. I will always worship you. Here's my worship, all of my worship. Receive my worship, all of my worship. You, Lord, you are worthy, and no one can worship you for me. For all the things you've done for me, and no one can worship you for me. Here's my worship, all of my worship. Receive my worship, all of my worship.
Okay. Personally, I feel like you there's that vocal capability that you can reach. But for me, I would say it's a no. I know there's more that you can do, but right now, it's not meeting to the needs that we're looking for in this edition at this point. But don't stop working on your vocals.
But please, Brenda, go home and watch this program and listen to the comments. They are very important. The comments that we made earlier on for the other contestants.
Hi, Brenda.
Hi.
Yeah, the only thing you're singing from here, not from your belly, so you can't do much with your voice. I'm gonna give you a yes, but still, that doesn't add up to anything after the 2 no's that you got from these guys. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
Keep training.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Why are you so fake?
But I think if she can just work on her tone production.
It's because she's singing from
here. So next year she can do wonders.
Alright, ngoro zori nkari muwainda mu bwanji.
Ndaenda bwino. I've had constructive feedback. Yes.
Alright. So should we expect you to come back or you're not coming back? Why? Why?
I don't know, I didn't impress them much, but yes, they've given me constructive feedback.
Alright. Alright, thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
I can sing it better.
Please tell us your name and what you have for us.
My name is Doris Jabua.
Doris.
Yeah, I'll be singing Alicia Keys, Falling.
So Doris, do you mind just putting the mic closer to your mouth, the microphone? Yeah, it should be so we can hear you. What song are you singing again?
Falling by Alicia Keys.
Whenever you're ready, bring it on.
I keep on falling in and out of love with you. Sometimes I love you, sometimes you make me blue. Sometimes I feel good, at times you make me feel used. I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone way that I love you. I keep falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone way that I love you.
Thank you.
Falling.
Thank you so much, Doris. You were composed, you were not nervous, but however,
Nervous,
we couldn't tell. But I'm wondering why this hand is being kept at your back the whole time.
Actually, I was so nervous, so that's the only way I could actually keep a hold of myself. So,
Okay.
yeah.
But next time you come here, don't mind us. Just
Okay.
be yourself. Just be you, because you have that potential. You have that.
Okay.
But yeah, it's a yes for me.
Hey, Doris.
Hi.
Please go out there and keep working on yourself. But for me, it's a no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come out, sing,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So, hoping to see something better when we meet again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No, we can.
I think she has.
Let's move on.
She has potential. I would want her to. I would love to see us sing a different song.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Mwaenda mabwanji.
Mata.
Okay, manta onda amene apangisa kuti you shouldn't deliver.
It's actually the first time for me to actually sing like in front of people like that and be judged.
Yeah.
But it was a great experience, honestly.
I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How did you know I was expecting a hi from you?
The way you looked at me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Nah, I'ma tell you after this. Can I know your name, please?
Okay, my name is Frank Maunga.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Area 21, Jilinde.
Okay.
I'll be doing Jealousy by Labrith.
Show us. All the best.
All right, thank you. I'm jealous of the rain that falls upon your skin. It's closer than my hairs have been. Oh, I'm jealous of the rain. 'Cause I wish you the best of all this word could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back and tell me that all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. Thank you.
Like the song shouldn't end. All right, so Frank, so I'm gonna give you a yes. The energy, the eye contact, the first impression was good. The presentation.
Thank you.
I mean, the posture. You had to move. You own the stage. This is one thing that really marks a lot of marks. But it's a yes for me.
Thank you.
Frank, that was good. Yes. And then we would like to see you in the next round.
Thank you.
Thank you, Frank. It's a what? It's a yes. It's
Thank
a yes,
you.
of course.
Thank you.
Mr. Frank.
Yes, sir.
I wanted to ask, if you are given a song by Joe Gwalad, were you going to do it? Like,
yeah, I would even do it perfectly.
Which one?
It's just that I don't know any lyrics yet.
Okay.
I know the songs, but
any that you have relics in mind?
But I think I could do the whole song.
Okay, I was just trying to
Right.
check with you. You know, when you started, I love the fact that you gave that impression that I got this, right?
Yes.
The way you were calm and you're like, this is my thing. And how you delivered that song, yeah, quite impressive. I'm looking forward to more, to hear more of you singing, longer versions.
All right.
So it's also a yes for me, and
thank you.
Looking forward to seeing you again.
Thank you so much.
So we have a gift for you. Please come down. We have this gold rabbit. Please feed him very well. Oh, it has to be a she, right? Since it's a he. No, I'm not sure. But please feed her very well.
Yes, it has to be a she. Thank you.
No, all the best to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so how does it feel being the last performer and getting a golden rabbit?
So intense, but I did it.
Oh, yeah? And what should we expect from you henceforth?
Should expect more. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm expecting you to bring your A game. I mean, you waited for long and you did it. And all right, all the best as you continue.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse Ndizoteka. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment. And Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi. By Malawi for Malawi.